very happy birthday, and of course the lovely proud parents. पूजा बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है, क्या लग रहा है, क्या फील हो रही को देखकर अपनी बड़ी सी मर्सिडीज में?
देखते देखते पता ही नहीं चला कब एक साल.
Time, very short time and he grown up now. He completed 1 year. Very proud of me for him. I make this for him birthday party. Thank you so much for everyone coming.
And since अब हमारे पास आप सबका attention है, parents यहाँ पे हमारा आस्तिक यहाँ पर है, so we want you all to move your eyes to the screens because we have a very special video for you all to see. Can we have the AV please? One chair, someone, two people fighting for it, a man and a woman. You are not giving your chair to the lady? Oh, नहीं, अभी अब gentleman मत बनो. You have not given your chair to the lady and now she's out. Poor you. We will get you back, don't worry. Okay, now chalo, get up. Now there's a change in this. You all are not going to dance around. You take one round and then you are going to go and get me something. Okay? Let's start the music. Okay, I want you all to bring me a lipstick. Whoever brings the lipstick will come and sit here. I need a lipstick. You have to come and grab your seat. Get a lipstick quickly. I see 3 people have arrived already. Where are my 7 people? Lipstick दिखाइए मुझे. 2 और लोग बाकी हैं. Who are the 2 people who are still missing? Can't find a lipstick.
लड़के तो मार ही देती होगी तू दिन में. तुझे जैसे छत से फिरते हम मेरे वर्गी और न होनी वर्गी और न होनी.
No lipstick. You didn't find a lipstick. You still have some time. There is 1 chair remaining. And who else was playing over here with you? आपके साथ और कौन खेल रहा था यहाँ पे? There's your lipstick. You can't find a lipstick. Both of you decide who will win. That 1 chair is still empty.
सामने तो हमें आता था
You bring one more part. Put it in the leaves. Come.
पार्टी तो तब की स्टार्ट हो चुकी है, गेम्स वगैरह कंटिन्यू है एडल्ट्स के, बाकी अभी डांस का इंतजार है, जैसे डांस फ्लोर चलेगा तो वो भी दिखाएंगे। चलिए जब तक दिखा देंगे अंदर क्या हो रहा है।
Back to your place. Let's do a trial. Come, you come, and let's see you come. Okay, let you come. Let's see two women fight. And why don't you move? Just move behind a little. Move behind a little. They give us some space. That's it. Yeah, at the end of it. Okay. Now let's have light music going on. DJ, let's have some music. Okay. So now head, shoulder. You have to touch. You have to touch when I say head, shoulder, and why do you have to be on either sides? Keep eyeing the box. Head, shoulder, knees, toes, mouth. Mouth, I said mouth. Box nahi bola. Mouth. Touch your mouth. Touch your forehead. Head. Elbow. Box. Look at this. You left it, huh? So easily you left it. So simple, easy. That's all you have to do. The one who takes it gets a point for the team. Simple.
खाना वगैरह खा
All right. So who's coming next?
के बाद बाकी चीजें देखेंगे।